I'm here at the Ferrari Museum and came across something that reminds me of cars that I used to work on years ago. This is a Bosch continuous fuel injection system. Interesting, air would come in through here, and before they had mass airflow sensors, this would act as that sensor. This plate here would get pushed down with the air that's getting sucked in here by this turbo. And on here is a lever that pushes on a pintle up to this fuel distribution block. And that would basically control the fuel flow to your injectors. These injectors are continuous, they don't open and close. This piece here is what controls the actual flow of the fuel to those injectors. And it is continuous, hence the name. This is a warm-up regulator over here. This warm-up regulator would have controlling pressure going into it, and depending on whether it's in a cold start or warmed up configuration, there's a little coil inside there that heats up and actually changes the pressure that's going back out to here. And so they'd have various different fuel pressures that would control this in conjunction with the airflow. So you could have different pressure controlling that pintle inside that would then regulate how much fuel is actually getting to the engine, depending on the temperature, whether it's a cold start or a warmed up cycle, in addition to the air that was regulated. This is a cold start injector. You'd have additional fuel being injected through this, essentially a fuel injector, which is ironically enough what they eventually went to for a fuel injection, is just controlling it with an injector much like this.